Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this pink glitter crease. I haven't done a winged out crease in a while, so I really wanted to do something different in this video. So I really hope you guys love it, and let's go ahead and get started. I also used the James Charles palette like I promised. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to be applying on my crease is called Skip. This shade is everything. I really love this color. It's probably one of my favorite eyeshadows in the palette because it's so pink and it's so bright, and I love using this color. So after that, I'm going to be applying the second eyeshadow called Love That, and I'm also placing this on the crease. And after that, I'm going to be cutting my crease, but I'm not going to be doing a regular cut crease. I'm actually going to be switching it up this time, and I'm just going to be winging it out, going outwards. It's kind of complicated to explain on how to do this, but I'm sure you guys know. It's pretty much, pretty much do a cut crease like you normally do, and then just drag it out, and it's really easy. I haven't done a look like this in a while, so I really wanted to switch it up and do something different, so I did. Once I finish cutting my crease, I'm going to be applying this shade called Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm going to apply this all over my entire eyelid. I love this color. It's such a beautiful baby pink color, and I'm so obsessed with it. Next, I'm going to be applying glitter. So I'm using this one by Urban Decay. This is in the shade Gold Mine, and honestly, Urban Decay has my favorite glitters of all time. I just love every shade of them. But for eyeliner, I'm actually going to be using the eyeshadow called Skip as my eyeliner today. I'm doing a pretty thick wing today because I'm actually going to be applying black eyeliner after that, but I'm not doing a very thick wing with the black eyeliner because I really want the pink eyeliner to stand out, you know what I'm trying to say. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here. I'm going to be applying mascara and lashes, and then I'm moving on to primer. So for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm just going to apply this before I apply foundation. For foundation, I'm using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation. I've said it plenty of times. So, oh no, actually, no. I'm actually using the Huda Beauty foundation stick. I was really wrong. I thought I was using the NARS foundation, but I was wrong. So I used the Huda Beauty foundation stick. I completely forgot because I was not into that clip yet. But for concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm also using my e.l.f. blending sponge to blend my concealer. My e.l.f. beauty sponge, not blending. I mean, it's the same thing, but yeah. I'm also going to be setting my concealer with translucent powder, and I'm gonna bronze and apply blush and highlight, and yeah. So this look is finally done. Let me know what you think down below. This look is perfect for Valentine's Day. I really love this eyeshadow look. I want to know what you think about this look, so let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be listed down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video.